exploring the phrase, proud of our history. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into the English language and its nuances. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and significance behind the phrase, proud of our history. Understanding such phrases enriches your language skills and helps you express complex ideas more effectively. So, let's get started and explore what it truly means to be proud of our history. Proud of our history is a phrase that encompasses two key components, pride and history. Pride refers to a feeling of deep satisfaction derived from one's own achievements, the achievements of those with whom one is closely associated, or from qualities or possessions that are widely admired. History, on the other hand, is the study of past events, particularly in human affairs. It's the collective memory of a community, nation, or culture, encompassing everything from triumphs and innovations to struggles and lessons learned. When we say we are proud of our history, we are expressing a deep respect and appreciation for the journey and achievements of our ancestors or our community. It implies a connection to the past and a recognition of the hard work, sacrifices, and achievements that have shaped the present. This phrase is significant for a couple of reasons. First, it helps in fostering a sense of identity. Understanding and acknowledging our history is crucial for knowing who we are and where we come from. It roots us in our culture and helps us appreciate the foundation upon which we build our future. Second, it encourages reflection and learning. By being proud of our history, we're encouraged to learn more about it, understand the context of various events, and reflect on the lessons they offer. This reflection can inspire us to emulate positive actions and avoid past mistakes. Lastly, it's a powerful tool for communication. When used in speech or writing, this phrase can convey deep emotional resonance, connecting with listeners or readers on a personal level. It can be particularly effective in speeches, motivational talks, and writings intended to inspire or instill a sense of community and continuity. Incorporating this phrase into your English language repertoire allows you to express complex feelings and ideas more succinctly. Here are some ways to use it. In personal stories or narratives to highlight the importance of your cultural or family background. In academic or professional settings, when discussing the achievements and legacy of an institution or community. In motivational contexts, to inspire others by reminding them of their shared heritage and achievements. Remember, the impact of this phrase comes from its emotional and cultural significance, so use it when you genuinely feel a connection to the history you're referring to. Thank you for joining us as we explored the meaning behind being proud of our history. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of the phrase and how it can be used to express complex emotions and ideas in English. Embracing our history and expressing pride in it is a beautiful way to connect with others and enrich our conversations. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the depths of the English language. Goodbye, and take care.